Big T Garage, TNT Garage. We're down here. There's something going on. Seemed like they had a fire that got caught loose here and kind of got out of control. Looks like we got a bunch of fire trucks down here. I heard all the noise and I figured I'd ride down here and see what was going on. I hope it didn't get nobody, burn nobody up. Everybody okay?
Yes.
Little wildfire got out of control?
Yes.
All right. I'm glad you guys came. All right. Little wildfire got under control there. They were burning something in the backyard that shouldn't have been burning. That's what people just don't understand. They know better. We're gonna swing back around. That's the captain's truck. That's some nice trucks. I got some nice pickup trucks there. Wow. I see it in the back there. A little bit of smoke. Yeah, nothing behind the house. Looks like they got it under control. That's cool. All right. Thank goodness for the Springfield, Effingham County Fire Department. Yay! Woo, I like all that. Ain't no telling what them bad boys call. Alright, Big T's gonna head on back to the house. And I just figured I'd show you guys what's going on. Everybody's cool, we got the fire out. So everybody's good to go. Alright guys, y'all take care. See you later, bye.